After a hard day, you finally crawl into bed, the air conditioner humming pleasantly in the background, and you're convinced that you've just created the ideal conditions for a royal sleep. This small, often overlooked miracle button on air conditioner remote control is called sleep. No, it doesn't turn off the air conditioner. Quite the opposite. It optimizes it so that your sleep becomes comfortable, energy efficient, and, let's be honest, much less sweaty or cold. If you've never used it, then you've had an air conditioner for years without even knowing its best function. It's time to put an end to that. What does this sleep button actually do? That infamous sleep button isn't just a marketing gimmick or a fashion fad. It's a serious technological feature designed to improve the quality of your sleep without waking up in an ice cave or a tropical greenhouse. How it works. Gradual temperature adjustment. The air conditioner gently raises the temperature throughout the night, in harmony with your body rhythm, which gradually increases internal heat while you sleep. Energy efficiency. Lower loads mean lower electricity consumption. This makes your sleep not only more comfortable, but also more eco-friendly. And yes, your electricity bill will thank you. Greater comfort. Goodbye. Waking up at night due to cold or heat. With the sleep function, you can go to sleep without temperature shocks. Why you should press this button, everyone, the evening one? Better quality sleep experts agree. The optimal temperature for sleeping is between 15.6 degrees Celsius and 19.4 degrees Celsius. But what's perfect at 10 p.m. can turn you into a human ice cream cone at 3 a.m. Sleep mode saves you from these temperature swings. Subscribe for more.